installing tile in this bathroom. So we need to remove this toilet. So the first thing to remove toilet you want to do is turn off your water valve. Go ahead and flush your toilet to get all the water out of the tank. And you can get some pliers and go ahead and disconnect. And the next thing you want to do, you're going to have a bolt here and one on the other side. More times than not, this bolt is going to be rusted, which is our case. So pliers won't do. We're going to actually cut this bolt off. So you can use a hacksaw or any type of tool to cut it off. We're going to use our oscillating tool. So let's get that. Once you get both bolts cut out on both sides, one thing you want to do is rock it and lift it straight up. And don't tilt it because you have water still in the P-trap. So keep it level and take it out. And then just clean up your wax ring and we'll go from there. That's how you remove tile. Sometimes it's easy, and sometimes it's not. This was a pretty easy demo. floors are completed. So let's take a look and see where we are. So we got all the floors installed. All the way throughout the kitchen. And in the bathroom, we went with tile and carpet in the closet. And in the laundry room, got the floors all installed. Hot water tank installed. And we're gonna do the steps next. Gonna do wood treads on top and laminate on the risers. Be a wood tread stained to match the floor. Flooring installed in the bathroom. And in this room, we left the existing floor. And carpet in the closet. In these two bedrooms, carpet in this one. Carpet in this one. So that completes the flooring for this project. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share, and hit the notification for upcoming videos. The next step that we'll cover for this project will be the kitchen. So we're gonna install all the kitchen cabinets and get everything put in. So that ends this episode of Renovate This Whole House. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time on the next video.